What if the most valuable thing you own has no price tag? Nobody warns you about this. You can lose your money and earn it back. You can lose your health and slowly recover. But the moment that just passed, it's already gone forever. There was once a father who watched his son sleep his life away. Not because the boy was sick, not because life had been cruel to him. He simply didn't care. Every morning, while the village woke up, the boy wandered. Every evening, while others rested from their work, he had nothing to rest from. The father tried words. Words didn't work. He tried anger. That didn't work either. So one quiet morning, he tried something different. He called his son inside, placed an old watch on the table between them, and said calmly, "Take this to the market. Find out what it's worth." Simple enough. The boy shrugged and went. He held up the watch to merchants, to strangers, to anyone who'd look. One man offered 200. Another said 500. A woman said she'd give 1,000, not a coin more. Nobody agreed. Every person saw a different value. The boy came home, puzzled. "Father, everyone gave me a different number. Nobody could agree." The father nodded slowly, put it back. The next morning, same watch, same son, but a completely different question. "Go back to the market," the father said, "but this time, don't ask what the watch is worth." He paused. "Ask them what the time inside it is worth." The boy stood there, confused. What does that even mean? But he went anyway. And this time, the market wasn't kind. People laughed. Some walked away mid-sentence. One man told him to stop wasting everyone's time, which, without knowing it, was exactly the point. Embarrassed, deflated, the boy almost turned home. But then, at the edge of the market, he noticed a small, dusty shop. An old man sat inside, bent over a broken watch, working with the kind of focus that only comes from a lifetime of discipline. The boy stepped in quietly and asked his strange question one more time. The old man didn't laugh, didn't look confused. He simply stopped, set down his tools, looked at the boy, really looked at him, and spoke in a voice that felt like it carried weight. "Son, you can sell that watch 100 times, but the hours it has already counted, no amount of money brings those back. Not a single second." The boy felt something shift inside his chest. The old man continued. "Time has two sides. The painful side, it always moves forward. It never waits. The powerful side, right now, in this moment, you still get to choose. Every person alive gets 24 hours. The struggling man, the successful man, same hours, same day. The only difference, what they decided to do with them." The boy didn't speak. He didn't need to. Something had been unlocked inside him, something no school had ever taught him, no lecture had ever reached. He walked home different than he left, told his father everything, every word, every pause, every moment. And for the first time, the father didn't say anything at all. He just placed his hand on his son's shoulder. That was enough. From that day, the boy who once wandered had direction. The boy who once wasted mornings protected them. He didn't become successful overnight, but he started. And starting with intention is where everything begins. Time is the only thing in life that is both completely free and unbearably expensive. Free because everyone receives it equally. Expensive because once you spend it, it's spent. You can rebuild a business. You can repair a relationship. You can recover from failure. But you cannot, not even once, reclaim a wasted hour. The clock on your wall isn't just telling you the time. It's asking you a question. What are you doing with yours?